Cosmic abyss. The Stellar Voyager, a sleek spacecraft designed for interstellar exploration, hung in the void of space like a lone sentinel. Inside its meticulously designed confines, a crew of experienced astronauts and brilliant scientists prepared for the mission of a lifetime, to delve into the heart of the enigmatic black hole that had suddenly materialized near Earth. Excitement and nerves intertwined as they finalized their preparations, their anticipation for discovery tempered by the unsettling aura of the unknown. Captain Alex Grayson, a veteran of space travel, glanced at the holographic display before him. The swirling vortex of the black hole loomed closer with each passing second, an awe-inspiring yet ominous spectacle. Around him, the crew members moved with purpose, their specialized tasks executed with the precision of a well-choreographed dance. Dr. Emily Chen, the astrophysicist responsible for deciphering the black hole's secrets, exchanged a look with Lieutenant Mark Ramirez, the ship's resourceful engineer. The trio represented the essence of the crew's combined expertise. As the Stellar Voyager approached the event horizon, an invisible line beyond which escape would be impossible, the atmosphere within the control room grew tense. Captain Grayson's fingers danced across the control panel, his actions mirroring the heightened heartbeat of the crew. But then, like a whisper of impending doom, glitches manifested, communication channels crackled with distortion, sensors spat out erratic readings, and controls refused to respond. Panic rippled through the room as reality seemed to tremble on the edge of chaos. "Steady, everyone," Captain Grayson's voice cut through the disarray. "We've trained for this." Yet, the ship's descent into the black hole's grasp grew increasingly turbulent. The vortex outside the windows warped from a mesmerizing spectacle to a haunting abyss. An unnatural green light bathed the control room, casting distorted shadows that danced with sinister intent. Dr. Chen's fingers flew across her console, frustration etched across her brow as her attempts to stabilize the ship faltered. "We're losing navigation," Lieutenant Ramirez called out, his voice edged with urgency. "It's like we're caught in a whirlpool." And then it happened, the point of no return. As the event horizon swallowed the ship, a cascade of sensations assaulted the crew. Gravity became an unpredictable force, objects floated in defiance of physics, and sounds echoed in distorted reverberations. It was as if reality itself had become malleable, bending to the will of an unseen malevolence. As the crew clung to their training amidst the chaos, they realized with chilling clarity that they had entered a realm where the laws of the universe were twisted and fragmented. The black hole's event horizon had become a gateway to an abyss of terror and uncertainty. In this disorienting darkness, their journey into the cosmic unknown had truly begun, and the challenges they would face were far more daunting than anything they had ever prepared for. Amid the bewildering darkness of the Stellar Voyager, a palpable sense of unease settled upon the crew. What was meant to be a groundbreaking mission had spiraled into a harrowing ordeal. As they grappled with the nightmarish environment, the crew's camaraderie faced a stern test. The ship's flickering lights cast eerie shadows, their dancing forms seemingly mocking the crew's faltering confidence. Haunted by their own subconscious fears, the crew's minds became battlegrounds for tormenting visions. Lieutenant Ramirez, once a picture of stoic resolve, found himself confronting memories of choices unmade. Dr. Chen, known for her unshakable rationality, struggled against an apparition of her father, disappointment etched in his spectral gaze. Captain Grayson, the pillar of leadership, navigated a spectral recreation of his past, haunted by moments of perceived inadequacy. In the midst of these distressing visions, mistrust began to take root. The crew's unity frayed as they questioned the authenticity of their surroundings and the intentions of their fellow members. Time itself twisted and elongated, adding to their disorientation. Yet, in fleeting moments of clarity, they exchanged fragmented conversations, piecing together their shared experiences and the unsettling realization that the cosmic abyss was exploiting their fears. The crew's struggle for sanity intertwined with their quest for escape. As bonds of friendship buckled under the strain, a glimmer of hope emerged from their shared turmoil. Dr. Chen's analytical brilliance met Ramirez's resourceful engineering mind, while Captain Grayson's unwavering resolve provided a guiding beacon. United by the very fears that had imprisoned them, they began to decipher the cryptic patterns hidden within the nightmare. In the face of their relentless challenges, their alliance grew stronger, fortifying them for the next stage of their chilling odyssey into the unknown. In the heart of the nightmarish dimension, the crew of the stellar Voyager finds themselves unraveling the enigma of the cosmic abyss. The disorienting darkness becomes a canvas for their collective fears and regrets, a twisted reflection of their innermost vulnerabilities. As they share their experiences and observations, a chilling realization takes hold: this dimension is a manifestation of their own minds. United by a newfound understanding, the crew dedicates themselves to unraveling the patterns that govern this surreal realm. Each shift in the environment, each grotesque apparition, is a clue to their psychological landscape. Dr. Chen deciphers fragments of quantum physics that hint at the connection between consciousness and reality, while Lieutenant Ramirez's engineering expertise reveals hidden mechanisms in the fabric of their surroundings. With newfound purpose, the crew faces the haunting echoes of their past. Captain Grayson confronts the ghost of his insecurities as he relives pivotal decisions that led to perceived failures. Dr. Chen stares down her guilt for pursuing her career at the expense of personal connections, while Lieutenant Ramirez grapples with the memory of an accident that resulted in the loss of colleagues. As they delve deeper into their fears, the crew members forge a bond born of shared vulnerability. Their alliance becomes their strength, and they learn to lean on each other to navigate the darkest corners of their minds. Their determination carries them to the brink of the event horizon once more, armed with the knowledge that they hold the power to shape their reality.